This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Tara Dixon. This striking house has a beautiful design that you won't see often in Pinellas County. There is gorgeous woodwork throughout this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. It has a cabin-like feel just under 25 minutes to the beach. With the city continuing to grow with constant new developments, this is a rare opportunity to own a spacious home of this type for the low price of $225 per square feet. The no-HOA neighborhood, no flood zone area, and large 13,499 square feet lot is an opportunity. Brand new 100-year steel roof. 2 kitchens, 1 upstairs and 1 downstairs. 2 potentially separate living spaces allowing for potential rental income or convert one to a master bedroom suite. From the wood-burning fireplace in the living area looking out to the pool from the balcony, this house is the perfect place to relax and have a cup of coffee in the morning. The pool is a true oasis with a screened-in cage and some privacy. 2 outbuildings with electricity. The house even has its own koi pond with waterfall. House exterior will be painted prior to closing. 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms are on the upper 2 levels. 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom are on the lower level. Come see this amazing house. Buyer to verify all measurements and info. For more information, review